robot controlling. In this project, by using hand gestures, we are controlling the robot. This project consists of two parts. One is transmitter part and the second one is the receiver part. In transmitter part, we are using Arduino Uno and RF transmitter and accelerometer and lithium batteries we are using for the power supply. And in receiver side, we are using Arduino Uno and RF receiver and motor driver and batteries for the power supply we are using and robot. Now we can see how all components interfacing with the Arduino Uno. We can see now. First we are connecting in transmitter side. In transmitter side we are using accelerometer. By using accelerometer, we can positions we can detect. Accelerometer consists of 8 pins, but we are using only 4 pins. VCC, ground and SCL and SDA pins only we are using. I am connecting VCC to 5 volts. Arduino consists of 5 volts and ground. And ground to ground I am connecting. And Arduino consists of SCL and SDA pins. I am connecting SCL to SCL and SDA to SDA. And next is the RF transmitter. RF transmitter consists of 4 pins. First pin is the ground and second pin is the data pin and third pin is the VCC and fourth pin is the antenna pin. Here antenna pin we are not using. We are connecting VCC to VCC and ground to ground and data pin we are connecting 12th pin of the Arduino Uno. I am connecting VCC to 5 volts and ground to ground. And data pin we are connecting 12th pin of the Arduino Uno. Receiver side, how to connect the connections we can see now. First we have to take motor driver. For motor driver we have to connect robot motors. For motor driver we have to connect only 2 motors. One side this side and the second side this side we have to connect. I am connecting. Robot consists of one side 2 motors, another side 2 motors. One side of the 2 motors, motor of the one wire and the second motor of the one wire. I am connecting one side and the second motor of the second wire and another motor of the second wire. We are connecting another hole. Motor driver consists of 6 pins. First pin and last pin is the enable pins and middle 4 pins is the control pins. By using enable pins we can control the speed and by using control pins we can control the directions, means forward, backward and left, right, we can control. First three pins we are using for the one side motors, and last three pins we are using for the another side motors. I am connecting enable pin and control pins to Arduino Uno. First enable pin I am connecting, second pin of the Arduino Uno, and next control pin, first control pin I am connecting, third pin of the Arduino Uno, and second control pin I am connecting, fourth pin of the Arduino Uno, and third control pin I am connecting, fifth pin of the Arduino Uno, and fourth control pin I am connecting, sixth pin of the Arduino Uno, and enable pin is I am connecting, seventh pin of the Arduino Uno. This is the RF receiver module. This module consists of 8 pins. First pin is the antenna, and second pin is the ground, and third pin is the ground, and fourth pin is VCC, and fifth pin also VCC, and sixth pin is data pin, and seventh pin is no connection, and eighth pin is ground. We have to connect all VCC to common VCC and all ground to common ground, and antenna pin we are not using, and data pin we are connecting to Arduino Uno. Data pin we are connecting 11th pin of the Arduino Uno. First I am taking, we have to give power supply to RF receiver module 3.3 volts. Arduino Uno consists of 3.3 volts. From 3.3 volts we have to give common VCC. From ground we have to give common ground. I am connecting VCC to VCC and ground to ground. Data pin I am connecting 11th pin of the Arduino Uno. Now we can see how to dump the code to Arduino Uno. Here two codes, one is transmitter code and a receiver code. First we have to install the Arduino IDE. In that we have to do the coding. After coding, here we are using microcontroller is Arduino Uno. For that we have to go tools. In tools we have to go boards. In that boards we have to go Arduino AVR boards. In that we have to select the Arduino Uno. After that again we have to go to port. In that we have to select the port, which port we connected to Arduino board. Now we have to compile the program. If any errors there, it will show the errors. Otherwise it will show the compilation is done. See, we can see compilation is done. Now we have to upload the code. We have to go to sketch. In that we have to click on the upload. Now code is uploading. We can see here. Code is successfully uploaded. This is the transmitter code. Now we have to dump receiver code to receiver section. This is the receiver code. In receiver side also we are using Arduino Uno board. First we have to go tools. In that board we have to go Arduino AVR boards. In that we have to select the Arduino Uno, and again we have to go to tools. In that we have to select port. which port we connected Arduino Uno board, we have to select. After that, we have to go sketch. In that, we have to click on the verify or compile. If you click on compile or verify, code it will compile. If any errors there, it will show the errors. Otherwise, it will show the done compile. Again, we have to go sketch. In that, we have to click on the upload. If you click on upload, automatically code it will upload to Arduino Uno board. We can see here code is uploading. Code is uploading. Now code is successfully uploaded to Arduino Uno board.
Now we can see practically how this project it will work. This is the transmitter part. By using hand gesture we can control the robot. If you move like this, robot will move front. If you move back side, robot will move back side. If you move robot, it will move right side. If you move left side means robot it will move left side. Now I am moving front. Now I am moving back. Now I am moving left. Now I am moving right. Like this we can control the robot by using hand gesture. Please share, like our channel.